I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and I'm here to show you guys my nude shapes waist trainers. And because I was so happy to find the first waist trainer company to emphasize diversity and inclusion with trainers to go with our skin tones, I decided to hook you guys up with a coupon code. So head on over to nude-shapes.com and use the coupon code Keisha to get 10% off your first order. I picked up both because I wasn't sure which one was going to be right for me. The chocolate one, it turns out, will probably be best if all goes well this summer. And the caramel looks best for now. Here you can see I'm trying on both of them. And these really come in handy if you're going to be wearing something sheer-ish and you don't want your waist trainer showing, if you're wearing a waist trainer underneath your clothes, that is. But me personally, I prefer to wear waist trainers in the house, and that's because it really helps with my posture. I sit down on the computer a lot of the time, or it's just sit down doing manual labor, so sometimes my back, you know, pays the price. So I find that wearing a waist trainer while I'm working really helps me. And of course, a lot of women do like to wear waist trainers to help cinch their waist while they're exercising, or of course to cinch their waist when wearing dresses and things to help make their waist look smaller, or even just to smooth them out. Now the thing is with waist trainers, you guys can see the one I'm wearing, I have it hooked up to the very last hook, and that's no good when it comes to waist training. If you're trying to get a smaller waist, you're trying to thin out your waist. If you first get your waist trainer and it fits right there, that means your size is too big. You want to make sure that it fits so that you can hook it up to the first hook. So that means you have room to make progress if you're trying to slim out your waist. So although I don't necessarily need or want to thin out my waist, I would rather it fit properly. So I'm going to exchange these for a smaller size, and these are a medium, so I'm going to get a small. And make sure that you pay attention to the size chart. The size chart will tell you exactly what size is for you. You don't just go off based on, you know, what size you would normally wear in clothes, small, medium, large. No, you want to make sure that you look at the size chart. So since I was happy to find the first waist training company that emphasizes diversity and inclusion for brown women and black women, I decided to hook you guys up with a coupon code. So head on over to nude-shapes.com and use the coupon code Keisha to get 10% off your first order. And if you're not sure which color you want to buy, you guys know my skin tone, right? This one looks best on my skin. So if you can compare yourself to my skin, that might give you an idea of which works for you. You can also check on their Instagram to see more people, to see more women rocking them. And yeah, so check out Nude Shapes on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.keishacharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.